is Imelda, and you can find me on Instagram. I'm minimal_vagabond. She's a 1989 Ward International DT466.
You want the door shut?
Just a little bit. Thank you. She's an 89 Ward International 466. So got a nice height with the Ward ceilings. I got her with under 24,000 miles on her original.
Wow.
So a very, very lucky woman. Kept the build very simple, very open. I didn't really want any walls, so that I had a very open feel. We're about 28 feet. Undermount sink, soft closed doors and drawers. We got them at Menards, the IKEA version. I don't have handles on yet because I can't find what I can commit to. Undermount sink. This will eventually be a removable countertop and a workspace, and my shower will be under here with a magnetic shower.
And then of course you got more counter over here.
Yeah, more counter, and we'll get a range. Eventually I'll find one the cost available 24-inch range there, and spice cabinet, and then we have the couch lounge area and a little TV. In said totes, because I'm converting on the road, we have instant hot water heater to put in all the PEX line. I have currently just a 35-gallon freshwater tank on board, besides just regular drinking water out of the glacier things here in Arizona. Eventually we'll get a composting toilet in the back, but you know, road life. So it's functional, it's comfortable, and keep converting. You know, don't let an unconverted vehicle stop you from getting on the road. I bought this, stripped the seats out the next day, put the mattress on the ground, and went from there.
A few videos back, I had a guy had a mattress and, well, the library bus. Lots of bins of stuff, but that's about it.
Yep.
But it was, and I look forward to catching up to everybody in a year's time to see what they've done and do an update video.
That would be awesome.
So
I'd be grateful to show it to you again. Working on my couch here too, so I am learning how to do my own upholstery. So hopefully in the future I'll be able to help other nomads on the road that need a little bit of sewing or, you know, little finishing touches to their homes. Right. So that's really dynamite.
Noisy neighbors.
I would love a horn like that. That's great.
Yeah.
But yeah,
you should come down and see my bus. I have 5 horns.
I know you do.
And
I haven't been in your bus yet, but I met you a couple of years back with
catch
my
me,
friends.
you catch me down there, I'd be more than happy to show you around.
Oh, wonderful.
So.
Thank you, Steve.
All right, and you mentioned you have ways people contact you, social media.
I just pretty much do Instagram. I'm not very active. I work about 6 to 7 months out of the year, but I'm at minimal_vagabond.com. I was gonna say, you cut that out.
Right. Well, that way, if somebody has any questions or suggestions or whatever,
yeah,
then get hold of you.
To it.
All right.
Yes.
Oh, thank you for the tour.
Thank you very much, Steve.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, see you next time, YouTube. Bye.